Hi, friends! Are you ready to do yoga with me? Let's get started. It's time to be strong, agile, and healthy.
Sit low. Reach your arms forward. Feel the power in your legs. Hold it. Don't give up.
Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg.
Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Nice job.
Now we will do the warrior pose. One leg forward, the other back. We bend the front knee. We raise our arms up. We keep our torso upright. We are strong.
Excellent.
Same pose. Now we'll lift the other leg. You are doing great. Please sit down. Now sit comfortably. Relax and breathe. Very good. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile. Excellent.
Now look at me. Sit down like me. Sit comfortably. Lift one arm. Gently stretch to the side. Awesome! Let's keep going. Same pose. Now lift the other arm. Gently lean to the other side. your legs. Bend forward gently, breathe out and relax.
Do it just like me.
You are doing great. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. You are doing very well. Now we're going to do camel pose. Knees on the ground, body upright, hands on hips. Slowly bend backwards.
Breath in and smile.
You are doing great.
We have completed the yoga exercises with you. You did very well. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.